What's the meaning of Congress? Congress. Congress.
Congress. Congress. Congress is a term used to describe the legislative branch of government in many countries, including the United States. It typically consists of two chambers, such as the House of Representatives and the Senate in the United States. The primary function of Congress is to make laws, but it also has the power to oversee the executive branch and approve appointments and treaties. Additionally, Congress plays a key role in the budgetary process. Overall, Congress is a critical component of the democratic process, and its actions can have a significant impact on citizens' lives.